As the cleanup is continuing from the flooding and government money is now rolling in to help those whose homes were damaged, farmers and ranchers are now being told they will not receive any help from FEMA at all. Montana agriculture is the state's top industry, an industry Montanans depend on for food on their plates. Now, after historic flooding on the Clarks Fork of the Yellowstone, many farmers and ranchers are left picking up the pieces on their own.
Nobody's trying to gain on this thing. We're just trying to get our lives back.
Jay Stetson's home wasn't damaged, but he and his wife, who have 500 acres of land, estimate they have at least $500,000 in damage on their ranch.
We need some assistance from some of these government officials that will find us some grants or find some emergency money that's been set aside so we can rebuild. And I'm thankful for what they've done, but it's not enough right now.
Tina Stetson has been working day in and day out repairing her ranch with her husband, while also making phone calls to get some sort of assistance.
FSA will help with some of the crop, with some of the seed, that sort of thing, but as far as reworking the ground, the cost of the fuel or the equipment that's needed, that's gonna have to be brought in to help farmers be able to make that ground usable again. Like there's no assistance for that.
Tina says they are only given one option when calling agencies for help. They are told to apply for a small business loan.
So farmers and ranchers are already stretched anyways, so now you want us to go get another loan to help rebuild what we lost, but yet we pay taxes, and that tax money is helping homes and other people. Why can't it help the ag people too?
If they can get the Yellowstone Park $50 million within 24 hours, don't tell me they can't get these farmers and ranchers some money within 24 hours.
The Stetsons say they are frustrated and, like many, never anticipated to be going through this, but they are not giving up hope to get some help.
We're not the loud voice. We're the conservatives out here, so we're not going to be crying the blues and everything else, but the story needs to be told. We need some assistance out here, and it shouldn't, and it's federal tax dollars that we've paid in all our lives for this kind of stuff.
In Fromberg, Haley Monaco, MTN News.